Ever contemplated transforming your garden into a food haven? Welcome to the world of edible landscaping, a blend of beauty and bounty. It's not just about saving money or promoting sustainability, but also about enhancing aesthetic appeal in a practical, engaging way. Imagine a garden that not only looks good but also feeds you. Why should you consider an edible landscape? Let's dig into the advantages. Edible landscaping gifts you with fresh, organic produce right from your backyard, nurturing a healthier lifestyle. It's also an educational journey, a chance to discover and grow a variety of edible plants, and the sense of accomplishment it brings? Priceless. Imagine harvesting your own tomatoes, basil, or blueberries. Not only are you growing your own food, but you're also contributing to a healthier planet. Ready to start your edible landscape journey? First, consider your climate, soil type, and available space. These factors will guide your plant selection. Start with easy growers like herbs, fruits, or vegetables. Basil, tomatoes, or strawberries are great options. Remember, research is key. Understand the needs of your chosen plants and plan your garden layout accordingly. Consider crop rotation and companion planting. It's a bit like putting together a jigsaw puzzle, but a fun one. With some planning and a bit of effort, you'll be harvesting your own produce in no time. Enjoyed our journey through edible landscaping? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Got a topic you'd like us to explore next? Let us know. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Here's to a greener, healthier world with edible landscapes.